Hey everybody, so I just wanted to jump on here really quick to just give you a behind the scenes look of how I actually plan out my content and how I actually recommend my clients and people that I work with to plan their content out and have a consistent schedule. So if you don't know already, my name is Kelsey Belgrave and I'm a marketing and branding strategist. I have over 9 years of experience working in the marketing and advertising field for corporate and agency environments, and now I'm here to bring all of my knowledge to people like you. So one thing when it comes to content, you've probably heard this before if you're very into the space, Gary Vee says that you need 20 billion pieces of content a year in order to be successful, and that's considered a successful marketing campaign. So I'm actually asked this question a lot. Where do I find content? How do I source content? I don't know what to write. How do I know what to write? And my posts are kind of lengthy, so people are always asking me where I'm getting inspiration from to write all of this content. Well, I'm gonna give you 3 tips that are gonna help you to make the process a lot easier. The first tip is that you wanna make sure that you're planning ahead. So I always recommend for people to dedicate a day or two just to planning out their content. And when I say planning out your content, I mean sourcing out your images, getting inspiration so that you can apply, written content to those images, and making sure that you are just being organized with everything. The second tip I have is to niche down, because a lot of what I see sometimes is that people are posting random pieces of content that have nothing to do with their brand, or only partially have something to do with their brand, or is maybe something that really is a behind the scenes type of thing. So niching down is going to be super important. Don't talk about anything and everything. The audience that you are going to try to attract needs to have some kind of focus. So you need to niche down, have a focus, maybe keep it to 3 to 4 or 5 different types of topics and keep it at that level. The third tip is using high quality images. Nobody likes to see blurry images or blurry videos, so make sure that all of your images and videos are bright, they're clear, they're sharp, and that people can actually understand what it is they're looking at. You'd be surprised how many people put up low quality content just because they need to rush to put up content on their page. Don't feel pressured whatsoever to put out low quality content, and don't sacrifice your brand just to get something out there. Make sure everything is high quality. So now that I've shown you 3 easy ways to get organized with your content, you're probably thinking, where am I gonna get all this content from, Kelsey? Well, if you wanna know that, come join my group. It's a free group where I host a lot of different types of content that you can then take and use. And a lot of this content is stuff that's been proven to work already. It stops the scroll, which is my motto. You want to make sure that you're stopping the scroll because you're competing with a bunch of people online in any industry, honestly, these days. So come join my free group. It has a lot of different types of content in there and additional tips that you can then take to use for your business as well. As always, I hope that you guys have an awesome day, an awesome week, and an awesome life. Good vibes only, and we will talk soon. Bye.